Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here, riding the brand new 2023 Polaris Boost 850 VR1. Thing's an absolute rocket ship. Today we're going to introduce you to what's going to be our new Stage 1 kit. It has our Hypershift Clutch Kit in it, and it has our standard lightweight muffler, which is 100% trail friendly. We'll show you some sound clips here. We'll show you acceleration. I got the GoPro on, so I'll show you some straight line speed stuff. I'll do some trail stuff, show you what we got going. And you know, the snow today it's like riding in the spring. We had some rain yesterday, but we got really good snowball snow, which probably a lot of other sleds, I would tell you, we're gonna have horrible mile an hour today, but not this thing. These things are insane, especially set up like this. On our clutching, like most of our setups, but we really focus on the throttle response and the acceleration and eliminating the turbo lag. I'm gonna do my best to show you guys on the GoPro, you know, what we've got there. But I can assure you, there is literally almost next to zero turbo lag with this setup. You guys are gonna love it. This is my new favorite snowmobile of all time, riding on the trail. And you can't see it under here, but I am smiling from ear to ear. Love it.